Biology, Chapter 8 Cell, the Unit of Life. Plastids. Plastids are found in all plant cells and in euglenoids. These are easily observed under the microscope as they are large. They bear some specific pigments, thus imparting specific colors to the plants. Based on the type of pigments, plastids are of three types: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chloroplast. The chloroplasts contain chlorophyll and carotenoid pigment which are responsible for trapping light energy essential for photosynthesis. Chromoplast. In the chromoplast, fat-soluble carotenoid pigments like carotene, xanthophyll and others are present. These gives the part of the plant a yellow, orange or red color. Leucoplast. The leucoplasts are the colorless plastids of varied shape and size which store nutrients. Amyloplast stores carbohydrate. Example, potato. Helioplast store oils and fats. And aleuroplast stores proteins. Chloroplast. Majority of the chloroplast of the green plants are found in the mesophyll cells of the leaves. These are lens-shaped, oval, spherical, discoid or even ribbon-like organelle. They are having variable length 5 to 10 micrometer and width 2 to 4 micrometer. Their number varies from 1 per cell of the Chlamydomonas, a green alga, to 20 to 40 per cells in the mesophyll. The chloroplasts are also double membrane bound. Of the two, the inner chloroplast membrane is relatively less permeable. The space limited by the inner membrane of the chloroplast is called stroma. A number of organelles, flattened membrane sac-like, are called thylakoids, are present in the stroma. Thylakoids are arranged in stakes like the piles of coins contained or called grana. Singular granum of the intergranal thyroid. They are flat membranous tubule called the stroma lamellae connecting the thylakoid of the different grana. The membrane of the thylakoid encloses a space called lumen. The stroma of the chloroplast contain enzymes required for the synthesis of carbohydrate and proteins. It also contains small double-strand circular DNA molecules and ribosomes. The ribosomes of the chloroplast are smaller, 70S, than the cytoplasmic ribosome, 80S. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are the granular structures first observed under the electron microscope as dense particles by Gregor Pallad in 1953. Ribosomes are composed of ribonucleic acid, RNA, and proteins and are not surrounded by any membrane. The eukaryotic ribosomes are 80S while the prokaryotic ribosomes are 70S. Here S stands for the sedimentation coefficient. It indirectly is a measure of density and size. Both 70S and 80S ribosomes are composed of two subunits. 80S ribosome is composed of 60S large subunit and 40S smaller subunits. Cytoskeleton: an elaborate network of filamentous proteinaceous structure present in the cytoplasm is collectively referred to as the cytoskeleton. It is involved in many functions such as membrane, mechanical support, motility, maintenance of the shape of the cell. Cytoplasm is formed by three types of fibers: microfilament, macrotubules, and intermediate fibers. Microfilaments are made up of proteins like actin. They are scattered or arranged parallel or in network. They possess functions like amoeboid motion, movement or rotation of protoplasm, and translocation of materials. They are associated with cell motion or change in form of cells. Microtubules are hollow tubes made up of tubulin protein. They help in maintaining shape of cell. cell motion and cellular transport of material. It is required translocation of chromosomes. Intermediate fibers are durable strong protein fibers. They form basket of fibers and support other fibers. Cilia and flagellum. Cilia and flagella are hair-like outgrowth of the cell membrane. Cilia are small structures which work like oars, causing the movement of either the cell or the surrounding fluid. Flagella are comparatively longer and responsible for cell movement. The prokaryotic bacteria also possess flagella, but these are structurally different from that of the eukaryotic flagella. The electron microscopic study of a cilium or the flagellum shows that they are covered with plasma membrane. Their core is called the axoneme, possess a number of microtubules running parallel to the long axis. The axoneme usually have 9 pair of doublet of radially arranged peripheral microtubules and a pair of centrally located microtubules. Such an arrangement of axonemal microtubule is referred to as the 9 plus 2 array. The central tubules are connected to one of the tubule of each peripheral doublet by a radial spoke. Thus, there are 9 radial spokes. The peripheral doublets are also interconnected by linkers. Cilium and flagellum emerge from centriole-like structure called basal bodies. Thank you.